Today is Monday. Today is the day I fly out to hybrid racing. Today is the day I probably poop my pants on an airline. So today is a lot of things. But I'm very excited for what today has in store. I hope all those conspiracy videos I've been watching on YouTube late nights don't catch up to me on this flight. The government shut me down. Oh man. Let's get today started though. What's up, bro? It's not a Zosh video you're watching, bro. What's going on with that? What's up? What's up? What's up? Wow.
No, it's the real deal.
What's up? What's up?
How you doing?
Nice to meet you guys. So what do? You just do the graphic design then?
Yeah, I do graphic design.
Yeah, that thing you sent me was sick. That thing was dope.
Also help with marketing and sales as well, so.
Wow, you do it all.
A little bit of everything. A little bit of everything. It's no problem.
Tome, what are you finna do? Get a 350Z or something?
Might be picking up a 370 from a friend.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah.
I need to get in that hybrid, bro. You picking up 370s and got nice cars parked outside. Hey, the tech could be parked out too.
That's how it is, huh?
Oh man, this is awesome. So this is where you do all the product shots and everything.
Yeah, pretty much. We gotta retake these fuel line pictures.
We are now at the hybrid racing R&D place. So, you know, we're gonna do like the shipping stuff as well. And we are here with David. Say what's up, David.
What's up?
So here we have, he's gonna walk us through everything and show us like, you know, the ins and outs. We'll talk about the cars and give you guys more, you know, insight what I'm trying to tell you because, you know, I never really explain things properly, but super facts. I guess David's gonna get us started. So this is David. You wanna introduce yourself to the vlog of Zosh? Like, what do you do for hybrid? Like, who are you to hybrid and like?
Yeah, so I'm the sales and marketing director of hybrid racing. I've been here for 15 years, started in 2003. This is one of our R&D spaces. We also do a little bit of fulfillment and product assembly out here. Yeah, so
All right.
thanks for coming by and hanging out with us.
Of course! Yo, my first time flying, you guys seen, bro, it wasn't that bad. Like, I haven't talked about it yet, but it wasn't that bad. It was actually pretty cool. But starting with the first thing we see, we have like the shirts here and stuff, you know, all the apparel line.
Yeah, fulfillment, we try to do what's the most efficient way possible. This is usually all of our shirts and apparel and other merchandise, awesome sauce and things like that.
That stuff smells good.
Yeah,
I was thinking about getting rid of my little trees and just start just stacking a bunch of awesome sauces.
Yeah, I hear that's a good thing. Yeah, so this is just most of the stock,
Pretty cool.
The finished stock that we've got on hand. Shelves are pretty empty right now because sales have been great.
Yeah.
So
I want to say thank you for that for the Black Friday sale, man. You guys went ham.
thanks for that. If you are still waiting on parts, we will get them to you as soon as we can. Yeah, so this is just some of the stuff that we keep on hand. So fulfillment can, ship it out as fast as possible. Fulfillment desk, one of them, we keep some of the boxes here. We do fulfillment from a couple of different areas, so this is just the one that we have here.
Yeah.
Just
It's like the on-hand, you would say like the most like on-hand place.
We ship from a couple of different places throughout the country, but this is what we keep here in our location. So
Okay. So like, okay, for your AC kit, I pointed out earlier, are you guys the only one that make the AC conversion kits?
Yes.
That's crazy. So if you want to K swap your car and you need an AC kit, Hybrid Racing got you covered. They're the only company that makes the AC conversion kit.
For,
that's pretty cool, man.
The EG Civic, the EK Civic, and the DC2 Integra. So we make bolt-in kits for all three of those chassis.
And then you got all your performance short shifters right here, K-swap fuel lines,
Yes.
ground kit,
Yep.
conversion wiring harness, which we're going to talk about when we get over there to the EK. I'm going to show you guys. But in actuality, when it comes to the conversion harnesses, Hybrid was actually the first one to come up with it, along with engine mounts.
A lot of other things, yeah.
Yeah. And I didn't know that until like when I first sent my email to David, I wanted to know more about the company. So like when I sent an email, it ain't like this is like some kid asking for stuff. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to make it as like the most beneficial thing for both parties involved, because this would be a case swap bill that everyone kept asking me to do, and I was like, well, who's going to be like the final Avenger? That's what I kept calling people like to do it. And I did my research on hybrid, and like they were the first people to do a lot of dope things, and like I don't think no one really knows about it because like you don't really hear much forefront of hybrid on the social media side. And this is where I come in. So here we have the side where we're going to talk about the EK, and then this is actually a workers EG project in the works. Yeah. And this is what a customer's Lude. Yeah. Which a nice OEM paint job from, and he was you said his father bought him the car in '94? Yeah,
the car was originally bought new, and he gave it to his son. And his son drove it throughout high school and kept it the way that it is, and upgraded it over the years and put a lot of nice parts on it, and it's looking for a new home. So if anybody wants a 94 Prelude SI VTEC with authentic Mugen parts, definitely hit up Zosh.
Yeah, and then I hit up David.
Yeah, this is EG. This is one of our engineers' personal projects. One of the things we don't do, we don't take on outside projects, so we really only do a few special things that we do here. Most of the space is used for product development, and obviously that includes having these cars that we're passionate about. We make a lot of parts for these cars. We love building them. We love racing them. This is one that will probably be done later this year. Fully built K24, built transmission, time attack.
This is gonna be sick.
Pretty just standard street car, but lots of power, lots of good suspension stuff. So this one's coming out later this year.
Pretty dope. This is gonna be sick. One day I'll have me a nice little EG6, man. One day.
Yeah, one day.
And then this beautiful thing right here. So what about this, Dave? Let's talk about this.
So this car was a special project. I had a friend of mine say that he wanted an EK Civic that was super nice, or as Zosh says, super fresh. Wait, does that work?
Super fresh?
You can't say super facts, right? It doesn't work.
Okay, we can't. Yeah, we can't.
You can't use the super facts one. Okay.
We're gonna go back and say it's clean. You know what I'm saying? With the adverb, clean. So that thing is clean.
So the car, this is a one-owner EK DX. It was an original manual car. It came from the West Coast. Customer slash friend of mine brought it to me and said, "Hey, I want you to install a K20A, and I want it to be as nice and as fresh and factory as possible." So the engine bay got shaved, wire tuck, full brake line tuck, but he wanted air conditioning and wanted to keep power steering. Wanted to keep a lot of the essential parts, just to keep the car comfortable, because he does plan on driving it when it is done. So yeah, this DC5 K20A motor. RBC intake manifold, obviously has every hybrid part that we sell, radiator, AC kit, all of the tuck fuel lines, engine mounts by Innovative, shifter cables, the whole deal. Throttle body adapter, cold air intake kit, radiator hoses, ground wires, everything. So this is as close to a catalog car, I guess, as you can get.
You can get it, yeah. Look at that. The no-cut shifter, yeah?
Yeah, the inside. We're relocating the fuse box, and I got to install the conversion harness and do some other interior wiring stuff for it. Then we'll put the inside back in it. But it's almost done.
This thing is, and it's really attention to detail. Like, I don't know if my camera gonna pick it up all the way, but like you have to really, know these chassis and like. Where everything goes on the cases, to know the detail, like that what goes into it, like even just like refreshing the alternator, like it's painted, yeah, but like you don't even see like overspray on like the wire or whatever. Like, you know, if it was a Zosh build, bro, you know, it'd be some spray everywhere, bro. Like, prep, Zosh, prep. I don't know about prepping.
Not a lot of cars, but the cars that I certainly put together, we spend a lot of time doing a lot of detail work. I mean, all of the bolts on the engine have been refreshed and painted. All replaced.
Every bolt.
You know, anything that needs to be replaced, we obviously do that with as much factory stuff as possible. The customer opted for a show bolt kit, so he did want that, so we put that on there for him. Custom engine harness by Chandler Autosport, and it's got the firewall, quick disconnect, which is super nice. And being that the car has air conditioning, we placed it down there at the bottom under the brake booster, so really easy to get to, and you can just unscrew it and unplug it if you need to. Really nice piece, fits really well. Custom wire tuck, which isn't complete. I've still got a lot of wires to get through. We're about 20% done, but ultimately all of this will make its way back into the cabin. I'll come back from back door and rebuild all of the wiring this way for the radiator fans, the cooling, the condenser fans, and compressor switches, and we'll wire in all the AC relays and things like that. But yeah, I mean, for the most part, all of this stuff it's all new. Custom power steering reservoir we mounted down there to get it out of the engine bay. The problem with putting it in here is normally the reservoir sits about right here, but you've got all the air conditioning lines, and then with the EK, this bracket is kind of right in the middle, so there's not really a good place to put it. Normally our kit would recommend that you mount it on that side of the engine bay, but again, the guy that owns this car is pretty particular, and so, you know, he trusted me with kind of relocating it and doing a bit of custom work with it. So we're gonna stick it up here inside the bumper. We'll fill it and get it all bled before we put the car together, so that everything works.
So one cool thing I'm about to show you is something that, like, I thought I would never get the chance to see, because, like, I just didn't think so, but Dave's gonna tell you all about it. So what we have, well, what he have wrapped up in this plastic is
This is a K20A FD2 motor. It's brand new.
Brand new.
Yeah, 0 miles.
Brand
never been used.
New.
Still has the factory sticker still stuck on the valve cover from when it came off of the assembly line. This was a engine that was sourced for a project that we were going to do for a customer, but decided to change his mind, and we ended up with the engine, and so we've got it, and yeah, we don't know what we're going to put it in yet. So it's just been kind of sitting here while we determine what the best use of a brand new FD2 K20A would be. We might be giving it away, so
Yeah.
that would be pretty cool.
I think that'd be really dope.
If you are interested in perhaps getting this motor for almost nothing, yeah, comment, I guess, or tell Zosh.
I'm gonna do a poll. There's gonna be a poll right on the screen right now. So should they give away, you know, a brand new 0 mile K20A engine?
Yeah.
Which I know, you know, I know what the stock block squad's gonna say. They're gonna be like, yeah. So I think we're gonna have to do that, David. I think we're gonna have to just do like a cool little giveaway type thing going
cool.
on. Yeah, I think that'd be really dope. That'd be really dope. Engage some new people.
Yep.
And I think that'd be really sick.
So that's it. This is all just motor parts. Motor parts for this car, which will ultimately get a K-mod block, K-mod built short block. I think this one's 14 to 1 or close to 14 to 1 K24. Cylinder head is somewhere in here, so they've got all the parts and pieces organized. So we'll get ready to assemble that in a couple of weeks when this chassis, all of the body work. So again, this is really not something that we do here as a company, but this is more of a passion project, and so one of the perks of being a part of our team is that you get to build cars.
Yeah.
Here. So, you know, we offer the
Sick.
space and the shop and the tools and all the parts, and you know, you just got to have the the drive. I
The
guess.
drive, yeah.
You gotta
the drive
have the
to get
one.
it done, yeah.
Otherwise, projects just sit, right?
Yep.
That's this one, and car looks a little rough now, but it'll
Yeah,
come
by the
back.
end of this year, yeah, it's probably gonna look
Yeah, it'll come back.
crazy.
So, yep. And otherwise, this Prelude is just, it's pretty basic. It's just factory original for the most part. This has the whole Mugen bumper. It's all in storage right now, but new headlights and Mugen lens covers and all this stuff. This is a new or used H22A that we picked up from H Motors online. Shout out to Steve at H Motors for helping us with this. And yeah, Mugen M7s, new TN coilovers. So this will be a pretty simple factory Mugen kind of car. It's got original, very rare custom Vision carbon fiber mirrors. So definitely not something you see every day. Very, very rare, part. So BB1 guys. It's pretty rare.
Yeah, they're pretty sure they know too.
So Mugen side skirts, all that stuff we'll put back on it. So it should be pretty smooth when it's done. And yeah.
And that is it. That is the little division of divisions here at Hybrid.
Go to the moon to prove it? When the f are you ever gonna go to the moon?
I'm basically telling David, because he was like, because he asked me, what music I listen to, what artists I listen to. I'm like, all right, I listen to my 3 favorite artists right now, or like most of ever.
I'm going
it's
to
like,
the airport.
it's Kid Cudi, B.O.B., and Future. And he was like, the flat earther? I was like, yeah, the earth is flat. I was like, I was on a plane, I didn't see no curve. So he's gonna send me back to the airport.
That's it. I'm turning around.
And we're going on a plane together, and then I'm like, yo, hey, we're gonna
Go to the moon! You can't go to the moon.
Exactly.
Can you?
We live in a glass dome.
We don't live in a glass
We can't
dome.
leave. We're in a dome. We're not going nowhere, David. We can't leave.
Your subscriber count is
you
dropping.
You
by
think the moon
minute.
landing is real?
It's real.
It's not real. That
It's
meant,
real.
How did he go to the moon in 1965 and we haven't been back since?
69.
Okay, 69.
And
sorry.
China landed a probe last week.
I don't believe it. CGI.
Fake news.
It's fake.
Fake news.
So do you think the atomic bomb was real?
The atomic bomb's 100% real.
You think it's real for real?
It's real for real.
Why do you think it's real?
What do you mean? Why do you think all of the people in Japan, do they think it's real?
Hey! I feel like I'm offending people now. I'm gonna clear this shit off. Made it in the hotel room. And yeah, man, that's gonna conclude my day. I had an amazing day today, man. Like, today was honestly the most dopest day ever. I never thought I was gonna be flying so early into the new year, because I did want to fly to California this year for IBOC or something, but wow, getting flown out here to Louisiana and then just kicking it with the Hybrid Racing family for like 4 days is like, it's awesome, man. I want to say thank you to everyone at Hybrid Racing for making, this trip possible. It's a huge thank you to David for like driving me around today in this FK8. Like, content I have planned for this week is really good content. I hope you guys really enjoy it. This is just my first day here, but I hope you guys got some more insight, more knowledge about who Hybrid Racing is. But all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, go ahead and smack the like button for your boy. I'm about to get showered up and lay it on down so I can start tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.